Why should you use Cornell Notes for lectures? Imagine turning your lecture time into a two-step process that makes studying easier and more effective. That's what the Cornell note-taking system is all about. It's a simple way to organize your notes so they work for you long after class ends. The system splits your page into 3 parts: a narrow column on the left for questions or cues, a wide area on the right for your main notes, and a small space at the bottom for a summary. During class, you focus on writing detailed notes in the large section. After class, you go back and write questions or prompts in the cue column based on what you learned. Then, you write a quick summary at the bottom that covers the main ideas of the lecture. This setup does more than keep your notes neat. It encourages you to think about what you've learned twice. First, when you listen and write notes, and second, when you create questions and summaries. This active process helps you remember the material better than just copying everything down. When you review, you can cover the main notes and test yourself with the questions in the cue column. This makes it easier to see what you know and what you need to review more. Because your notes are organized in this way, you spend less time searching for information. Instead, you can focus on studying what matters most. The summary at the bottom gives you a quick refresher, so you don't have to reread all your notes before a test. This is especially helpful when you have many classes or need to review over several days. Using Cornell Notes also pushes you to focus on the main ideas, examples, and questions instead of trying to write down every word your teacher says. This makes your notes clearer and more useful for studying later. You can do Cornell Notes on paper or digitally, as long as you stick with the same format. Consistency is key to making this method work well for you. In the end, Cornell Notes help you take smarter lecture notes, stay organized, and review efficiently. They turn a pile of scattered notes into a clear, structured tool that saves you time and helps you learn better. If you want a simple way to improve your note-taking, give the Cornell system a try. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how you study and succeed in your classes.